species are relatives of the jellyfish. They have these tiny hairs growing on them that they use to feed by stunning fish, shrimp, zooplankton, and so on. But they can survive for years without food. They're like jellyfish in that way. There are even sea anemones that have lived longer than 70 years with the proper care. They're found all throughout the world's oceans, and they can slowly move too. There are also fish that live inside them called anemone fish. The anemones protect them from predators and share—
Shut the fuck up! Can you stop talking about sea anemones?
No, we're supposed to look at this for another 10 minutes.
10 minutes!
Listen, I came up with the perfect plan for enjoying the aquarium. We aren't deviating from the plan.
Okay.
Starfish are echinoderms and relatives of the sea urchin. There are as many as 2,000 starfish species around the world. Not all of them are starfish-shaped either. Boys fall for anyone who can show them a fraction of a good time. He'll be head over heels once we hang out for a bit. When they get attacked by a predator, they'll rip off their own arms to get away if the predator acts. Their arms can return, so I guess they'll just go later. Starfish can eat almost anything in the ocean. They can feed by pushing their stomach out of their mouth and directly ingesting their prey. Fun fact, there's an area in Kumamoto—
Nobody cares about starfish! I want to see the penguins!
No, the plan is to look at starfish for another 30 minutes.
30 minutes!
Even in other languages, starfish mostly have star-related names. You should be falling for me around now. Even the aquarium employees can give explanations this interesting.
Hey, can we ignore the plan for a sec and go see the penguins?
Would you mind shutting the fuck up? We'll have fun, as long as we stick to my plan. You don't need to think about a thing.
I decided to think about stuff in my own way, you know. I'm looking at those penguins with or without you, because I've never seen penguins before!
Excuse me? Hey, wait! Could it be that you're a total fucking loser? Come again? I said you're a fucking loser. Fall for anyone who can show them a good—
Fuck! God! I'm gonna kill someone! You know, I have female friends. I actually do. But I'm not gonna show them my channel. God, it would be so much easier.
Sea anemone. How's it pronounced again?
Right.
Anemones?
Say more animal names and
Wait, how do you say it again?
you're looking at how to pronounce the name of this animal. We'll be looking at how to say more animal names and
Anemones? What? Wait, let's go to the last one.
Anemone.
Anemone? What?
Anemone.
Anemone.
Oh, it's anemone. An enemy Stan has
Oh,
spawned!
shut up!
A devil fruit has spawned!
Ugh!
Anemone.
Please!
I hate you! I'm trying to listen to— No, okay, if you get it— Anemone?
Anemone.
Anemone.
Okay, I'm probably gonna mispronounce it anyway.
They don't know I had to make 3 copies of the
Did
chicken.
you make 3? Oh my god! No!
Now I feel murderous.
Now I feel nervous. Okay, we're done.
Murder.